Hey my friends, how are you? I am absolutely loving this Miniart T-54-3 build. I'm having so much fun. So I've got the tracks on and I put those rear plates on. So I've just got to finish off the rear plates there. See, I've put that sort of fan hatch or whatever it is in. Not a fan hatch, but you know what I mean, those hatches that move for the air systems, because the engine's in there, and I think that's where the air intakes are and stuff. I'm not sure, this is not the full interior one, that's the next one I'm going to build, and I'll be a full expert on T-54 interiors, but I'm not at the moment. But oh, this is awesome, this is such a great kit, and the detail on these little tracks here are awesome. You see how they've got all these writing on it and stuff. They were pretty, you know, they took a long time to prepare. So it was a sort of a three-step process. You had to, let's see if we've got them in here. Hold on. No, that's not it. So many screws in these kits, aren't there? Anyway, I can't find them. I don't know where they are. But yeah, it was a three-step process. So you had to cut them out, then you had to trim them up, because when you cut them out, they had those really fat sprue connector things. So you had to cut them out, you had to give them a little trim and then a little file, and then they were done. So that took a while to do, but they fitted together so well, very well, and they wrapped around really well. The only problem I had was it fell apart a bit here, but it's on the inside, so it should be okay. There. Hate it when that happens, but it's on the inside, so I'm pretty happy. All the details are great. There's some things that are a little bit too much, they're too delicate, and when you're building it, you've got to be very careful of these. I've smashed them more times than I could count, like just by accident, and even when I'm concentrating and looking for them and stuff, they're not really that stable until you get we're going to get the wood in and the other parts on. So when you're building that, be very careful of these parts, because I would even say don't build them until you're ready to put the fenders on and all that. So I'd say do the tracks, do all this stuff here, then put these on. It's not necessary to put these on so early, and I don't know why they recommend you do that. But that's the only sort of negative thing, I suppose. But that's just better. See, they even put in all the cords and stuff. And that's what I like about Miniart. It's the entire thing in one box. You know, you're fully right. Just what you get in the box will be a beautiful tank. And this one is especially, like I did this T60 previously, and that was amazing, but this one's just as good, and I'm now really looking forward to doing the full interior one that I have. So yeah, this is really cool. I'm having a lot of fun with it. As you can see, I'm pretty excited. So very over-engineered and all that, like there's so many tiny bits, but yeah, wonderful kit. So that kit there, and it's good because it's not too difficult to start with. So the, you know, just exterior kits are good, because sometimes you just want to have a tank that's displayed, you know, all buttoned up and stuff, and you could put crew on it and all that kind of stuff. You can't really do that as much. You're trying to, when you've got full interior tanks, you're trying to keep all the doors open and blah blah blah, and you sort of trip out going, oh, I can't see the inside. But anyway, what I was thinking is, I'm thinking about doing this one, the Iraq one, Baghdad. It's got cool little details, those ones, but these ones are really cool. These Arabic sort of things. Yeah. And you see how it's February 1963, so in 1962 they were still using this tank, the Soviets, so you can see that Iraq had a very up-to-date tank formations at the time in 1963, so I think that'll be good. I might do that one, do the Iraqi one, and then I'll do the full interior one, as I'm thinking about doing the number 6. Who knows? The number 6 is the 6th T-54 made. Well, anyway, I'm going to get back to it, and I will speak to you again soon.